The 5 world's best motorcycle alarms. This wiki has been updated 26 times since it was first published in May of 2018. Number 5. Tchipie Disc Lock. The Chippy Disc Lock is available in 2 colors, one of which is a bright red that helps it act as a visual deterrent. It features a 110 decibel siren that it emits to scare away would-be thieves if it detects any impacts or movement. Benefits: sturdy aluminum alloy body. Audible notification of armed status. Comes with extra batteries. The price of Chippie Disc Lock is $25. Number 4. Abus Granit Detecto X-Plus 8077. The Abus Granit Detecto X-Plus 8077 is definitely pricey compared to similar models, but it features an extra thick, half-inch pin, and the bolt, lock, and supporting elements are all crafted from a nearly indestructible, special hardened steel. Benefits: 3D position detection. Comes with 2 keys. Siren could be a little louder. Price of Abus lock is $144. Number 3. Viper 3121V. The Viper 3121V can help protect not just your bike, but your accessories too. Along with the adjustable onboard shock and tilt sensor in the unit itself, it has a closed-loop trigger wire that you can snake through a helmet or saddlebags. Benefits: included remotes are waterproof. Disables the engine if tripped. Backed by a lifetime warranty. Price of Viper 3121V is $143. Number 2. Scorpio SRX950. The Scorpio SRX950 is a convenient, hands-free option that disarms itself automatically when the remote is in range and then rearms itself when the remote holder walks away. Additionally, the included controller includes a helpful motorcycle finder button. Benefits: basic free-wire installation. Built-in battery backup. Sends vibration alerts. The price is Scorpio SRX950 is $288.
Choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle alarms, or simply click beneath this video.
Number 1. Tasslock Security. Among all the automobile securities in the world, we must consider the extreme security and price range too. Tasslock has a variety of models of its own. This is the most affordable motorbike security and super extreme shield. This is full of sensor system, along with automatic lock-unlock, GPS tracker, passive keyless entry, shock sensor, 0% battery consumption and many more. Benefits: automatic engine lock and unlock. 125 decibel siren alarm. Body sensor automatic start. GPS tracking option. The price of Tasslock Security is $30 only.